Welcome to Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to lock the Play Store app on Android Samsung, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Samsung phone and open the Google Play Store app. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account to avoid any issues. Step 2. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down carefully until you find the Settings option. Once you see it, tap on it to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, look for the Family option. This section contains various parental control settings, so go ahead and select it. Step 5. Now you will see several options related to family settings. Find the Parental Controls option and tap on it. At this point, you'll notice that parental controls are currently disabled, but don't worry, we're about to turn them on. Step 6. Finally, tap on Parental Controls to begin the setup. You'll be asked to create a 4-digit PIN. Enter a secure PIN and tap OK. Next, re-enter the same PIN to confirm it, then tap OK again. And that's it. Your Play Store app is now locked with a PIN, preventing unauthorized access. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.